Second is a recognition of the limits of the judicial role, an understanding that a judge's job is to interpret, not make law, to approach decisions without any particular ideology or agenda, but rather a commitment to impartial justice, a respect for precedent, and a determination to faithfully apply the law to the facts at hand. During that tenure, he has stood as an impartial guardian of the law.
Because of that, is once again on the world map in a significantly important way.
I'll do everything in my power to make sure nothing like this happens again. By holding the responsible parties accountable, by putting in place new checks and new safeguards, and going forward by making sure that the law is applied as it should be, in a fair and impartial way.
Impartial investigations to bring perpetrators to justice and remedies for victims. And of course,
Is it an issue of concern? E para a presidenta Dilma, presidenta, a senhora vai manter os ministros Aloysio Mercadante e Edinho Silva no governo? Obrigado.
I make it a policy not to comment on active cases that are working their way through the justice system, partly because the people here in the United States know that
There needs to be an impartial international observer force in Aleppo that can help coordinate an orderly evacuation through safe corridors.